How to recover deleted spam mail in Gmail. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you two specific methods for you to recover deleted spam mail on your Gmail account. The first, once you successfully log in into your mail or Gmail account, this is going to be your dashboard. At your left side, you should be able to see this option here that says more. Click that and then go into trash. So usually if you delete something from your inbox, it will automatically be redirected into trash and it will stay there for 30 days. Simply click the mail that you would like to be recovered and it will automatically be back into your inbox. Now, what if it has passed more than 30 days and you are not able to see that deleted spam mail on the trash field? All you have to do is to create a new tab, type in Gmail message recovery tool, click on the first result, follow these on-screen prompts right here, click on continue and verify your account, and then wait for Google to get back to you to see if that specific mail will be recovered. And that's it. That's how you recover deleted spam mail in Gmail.